Hello guys, welcome to today's class. In today's class, we'll be looking at exponential equations, some hard exponential equation. I carefully selected them for us to treat today. Okay, the first question says, for what value of x is the equation 9 raised to power 2x minus 1 times 3 raised to power 3x plus 1 equal to 27x plus raised to power x plus 3 satisfied? Okay, let's attempt the first question. Okay, the second question says that for what value of y is 125 raised to power minus 2 over y equal to 1 over 25? So let's attempt the first question. From the first law of indices, once the base are equal, you do what? Equate what? The index. So the first law, which says that 9 raised to power 2x minus 1 can also be written as 3 raised to power 2 in bracket 2x minus 1 times 3 raised to power 3x plus 1 equal to 27 raised to power x plus 2, the same thing as 3 raised to power 3 x plus 3. So now, from the laws of indices that say that minus 1 plus 3x plus 1, this is equal to 3 raised to power 3 x plus 3. So now, applying the exponential law that says that whenever the bases are equal, you equate what? The index. So the bases are equal here. We can equate the index, because 3 can cancel out 3. So you have 2 in bracket 2x minus 1 plus 3x plus 1 equal to 3x plus 3. So now, if we remove bracket, removing bracket 2 times 2x gives you what? 4x. 2 times minus 1 gives you what? Minus 2 plus 3x plus 1. This is equal to 3 times x gives you what? 3x. 3 times plus 9 gives you what? Plus 3 times plus 3 gives you what? Plus what? 9. So now, if we collect like terms, we have what? 4x plus 3x minus 2 plus 1 is equal to 3x plus 9. Now, I always say that whenever a number is carrying a negative or a positive sign, if that number is crossing this equality sign, going to any side of the equation, the number will change what? Sign. So here we have 4x plus 3x minus 2 plus 1 is equal to minus 1 equal to 3x plus 9. So if you take plus minus 1 to this other side of the equation, it will change sign to what? Plus 1. And we take plus 3x to this other side, change sign to what? Minus what? 3x. So we have 4x plus 3x minus 3x equal to 9 plus 1. And this is 9 plus 1 give you what? 10. So plus 3x minus 3x can cancel out. So you are left what? 4 what? X. You are left with 4x. Now, if we divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is what? 4. Dividing both sides by what? 4. The coefficient of x is 4. So now, we have 4x divided by 4 equal to 10 divided by 4. 4 can cancel 4. So x will be equal to what? 10 over 4. And if 2 goes to 10, you get what? 5. 2 go to 4, you get 2. So now s is equal to what? 5 over 2. So 5 over 2, turning it into a mixed fraction, is 2 whole number 1 over 2. So this is our answer for x. Now, solving the second question that says that for what value of y is 125 raised to power minus 2 over y equals to 1 over 25. So feel free to pause the video and solve this on your own. That's how you learn faster. So let's attempt it. 125 raised to power minus 2 over y equals to 1 over 25. So remember that 125 is 5 raised to power 3, which is 5 times 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 5 is 125. So this can also be written as 5 raised to power 3 in bracket 2 minus 2 over y. This is equal to 1 over 25 according to the fractional negative index. According to negative index, that should be law 4. This is written as what? 5 raised to power minus 2. Or this is 25 power minus 1. And this is 5 raised to power what? Minus 2. So now, if we apply the law of exponential equation, whereby the bases are equal, whenever the bases are equal, you cancel out the bases and do what? Equate the index. So 5 can cancel out 5. We are left with 3 in bracket minus 2 over y equal to minus 2. Equal to minus 2. So now, we remove bracket, removing bracket. This is still the same, written as what? 3 times minus 2 over y equals to what? Minus 2. So 3 times minus 2 gives you what? Minus 6 over y equals to minus 2. So if we cross multiply, remember in every number there is divisible over 1. That number is divided by what? 1. So we have minus 6 over y equal to minus 2 over 1. So if we cross multiply, y times minus 2 gives you y minus 2 equals to minus 6 1 times 1. So y times minus 2 give you what? Minus 2y equal to minus 6. So now if we divide both sides of the equation by the coefficient of y, which is minus 2, we have minus 2y over minus 2 equals to minus 6 over minus 6. So minus 2 can cancel out minus 6. This is minus 2. Minus 2 can cancel out minus 2, and minus 2 cancel out minus 6. The answer is what? 3. So our value for y is equal to what? 3. So this is the answer. And this y equals to 3 satisfies that this equation is correct. And for the first question, x equals to 2 raised to power x equals to 5 over 2, which in means fraction is 2 over 1 over 2, satisfy that this equation is correct. Please like and subscribe, share, and tell me what other topic you want me to treat on. See you in our next class.